Journey Through Time. The Secrets of Charles Bridge. The Charles Bridge, Karlův Most, stands as one of Prague's most iconic landmarks, a masterpiece of medieval engineering and art that bridges the Vltava River and connects the old town, Staré Město, with the lesser town, Malá Strana. Steeped in history, adorned with intricate sculptures and alive with legends, the bridge is a timeless symbol of Prague's heritage. This comprehensive exploration delves into the bridge's history, architecture, cultural significance, and enduring appeal, capturing its essence in every detail. Historical foundations of the Charles Bridge. Early beginnings. Before the Charles Bridge, Prague's residents relied on the Judith Bridge, constructed in the 12th century. However, a devastating flood in 1342 destroyed the Judith Bridge, leaving the city in need of a more robust structure. King Charles IV, recognizing the importance of a reliable crossing over the Vltava River, commissioned the construction of a new bridge in 1357. The astrological significance. The construction of the Charles Bridge began on July 9, 1357, at precisely 5:31 a.m. This date and time were chosen based on astrological calculations, aligning with a numerical palindrome 135797531. This deliberate timing was believed to ensure the bridge's strength and longevity. Charles Ivy's belief in the mystical and divine is evident in this decision, blending science, faith, and superstition. The role of Peter Parler. Peter Parler, the renowned architect responsible for St. Vitus Cathedral and other Gothic masterpieces, was entrusted with the bridge's design. Parler's vision combined functionality with artistic grandeur, resulting in a structure that was both durable and visually stunning. His expertise ensured that the Charles Bridge could withstand the challenges of time and nature. Architectural marvel. Dimensions and structure. The Charles Bridge stretches 516 meters in length and nearly 10 meters in width, supported by 16 stone arches. Its robust construction utilized sandstone blocks and a unique mortar mixture. According to legend, the mortar included eggs to enhance its strength, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of medieval builders. Gothic foundations. The bridge's design embodies Gothic architecture, characterized by pointed arches, intricate details, and an emphasis on verticality. While its primary purpose was utilitarian, the bridge also served as a statement of Prague's prominence and cultural sophistication. The statues, guardians of the bridge. Baroque additions. The most striking feature of the Charles Bridge today is its collection of 30 statues and sculptural groups added between the late 17th and early 18th centuries. These Baroque masterpieces depict saints, biblical scenes, and historical figures, transforming the bridge into an open-air gallery. Notable statues. St. John of Nepomuc, perhaps the most famous statue on the bridge. It commemorates the martyrdom of St. John of Nepomuc, who was thrown into the Vltava River for refusing to betray the confessional secrets of Queen Sophia. Touching the plaque beneath the statue is said to bring good luck or ensure a return to Prague. Saint Luthgard. This statue depicts a mystical vision of Saint Luthgard embracing Christ on the cross, a dramatic and emotive work that captures the essence of Baroque artistry. Saint Francis Xavier. This sculpture celebrates the missionaries' efforts to spread Christianity in distant lands. Each statue tells a story, offering a glimpse into Prague's religious and cultural heritage. Over the years, the original sculptures have been replaced with replicas, while the originals are preserved in the National Museum. Cultural and historical significance. A witness to history. The Charles Bridge has been a silent witness to countless historical events. From coronation processions and military parades to revolutionary uprisings, the bridge has played a central role in Prague's history. It served as a vital trade route, connecting Europe's north and south, and facilitated cultural and economic exchanges. Legends and myths. The bridge is steeped in folklore and legends that add to its mystique. One popular tale suggests that egg yolks were mixed into the mortar to strengthen the bridge. Another legend involves the martyrdom of St. John of Nepomuc, whose statue is a focal point of the bridge. It is said that 5 stars appeared above the river where his body was thrown, symbolizing his sanctity. The Charles Bridge in modern times. A vibrant hub. Today, the Charles Bridge is a vibrant hub of activity, attracting tourists, artists, musicians, and vendors. Its cobblestone pathway comes alive with the sounds of street performances and the chatter of visitors from around the world. The bridge's picturesque views make it a favorite spot for photographers and romantics alike. Preservation efforts. Over the centuries, the Charles Bridge has faced numerous challenges, including floods, wartime damage, and the wear and tear of time. Extensive restoration efforts have been undertaken to preserve its historical integrity and architectural beauty. Modern techniques are employed to ensure that the bridge remains a symbol of Prague's enduring legacy. Experiencing the Charles Bridge. Best times to visit. To fully appreciate the magic of the Charles Bridge, visiting during sunrise or late at night is recommended. These times offer a serene atmosphere, with fewer crowds and breathtaking views of the city bathed in soft light. Nearby attractions. The bridge's central location makes it an ideal starting point for exploring Prague's other landmarks. The Old Town Square, Prague Castle, and Lesser Town are all within walking distance, each offering its own unique charm. Charles Bridge Museum. For those interested in delving deeper into the bridge's history, the Charles Bridge Museum provides fascinating insights into its construction, significance, and preservation. Interactive exhibits and artifacts bring the bridge's story to life. Conclusion. The Charles Bridge is more than just a structure. It is a living testament to Prague's rich history, artistic heritage, and cultural vibrancy. Its Gothic arches, Baroque sculptures, and storied past create an enchanting experience that captivates all who visit. Whether admired as an architectural marvel, a cultural treasure, or a symbol of resilience, the Charles Bridge remains an enduring icon of Prague, inviting generations to walk its cobblestone path and immerse themselves in its timeless beauty.